In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Blur Control Center on Poco C75. As you can see here, currently my control center is default. Now open the Play Store, install this application in your device. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Now select the language from here. My language is English, which is selected already, so I will simply tap on next. Now this is application dashboard. To enable the control panel, simply tap on this toggle, tap on allow. Now go in downloaded apps, tap on control center plus from here, tap on this toggle to give the access, check this box, wait for the OK, tap on OK. Now go back, tap on got it, tap on allow. Now let's check it out. As you can see, Blur Control Center is enabled in my Poco C75. So this is how you can enable Blur Control Center in Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.